If you're a premium member of the lynda.com online training library, or if you're watching this tutorial on a DVD-ROM, you have access to the exercise files used throughout this title. The exercise files are organized by chapter, and I suggest that you copy them to your desktop and work with them from there. Each chapter has a number of files in it. For example, here in the chapter 6, there's 3 files, and by and large, these files are Python source code. We'll be using these files from inside of Eclipse. Eclipse is an integrated development environment, and I'll show you how to import the files into Eclipse in the movie on installing Eclipse. You do not have to use Eclipse to follow along with this title. You can use whatever editor or whatever development environment you choose. I use Eclipse because it's platform independent, and it's portable, and it's easy to use for teaching. But you do not have to use Eclipse to follow along in this title. Whenever I open a file in this title, I start by making a copy of the file and then work with the working copy. I do this by dragging the file while holding down the Control key on a PC or the Command key on a Mac, and then let it go. And this will give me an opportunity to choose a name for the copy. And I typically use the same name with a dash and the name working, and end it with .py. By doing this and working with the working copy, the original files are left unchanged, and this way you can go through the exercises again at a later time if you choose to do that. If you don't have access to the exercise files, you can follow along from scratch or with your own assets. So let's get started.